Hello guys! Welcome to a new gameplay of Finance at Freddy's World! Oh my god, this is so awesome! Look at this cute! Okay, let's enter. There are so many trophies because I have so much finals. I will show you in another videos how to hack it. So this finale is in only this version, not of the rainbows. Only this of that horrible monster that you see like the middle of him under the rainbow's mouth. Okay, so let's enter to first. Oh my god. No, excuse me. I need to go out. Says guys, I need to close this and then go to Game Jolt. Open. Yes, already. Excuse me for that, guys. And now the click. Why these games of Game Jolt are so so I don't know the word even. Sure, Foxy's will never go down here because he will never know my secret of playing video games because he's already denied. It's mid 727. What happened to? Oh yes, nope. Okay, yeah, okay, we understand it. Slot 3. We will pull out a new game. Yes. Adventure. Normal. We will try normal. Okay. So. Um, oh, bro, what? Why just I have only this? These are so cool characters, but there's Foxy, so he's the coolest one because I'm Foxy. Okay, so done because we have all. Oh, hey there, welcome back to another round of the crazy game that is fnaf World. Fair times the charm after all. I won't repeat too much since you know the whole story at this point, but animatronica in trouble. Yeah, we finally settled on the name. Wait, we already had trouble. How does that make any sense? Is there a retcon going on here? Even me being the only character that is telling you hints past I don't know. Anyway, I won't keep you around for long. Go explore, see if you can. Sometimes new I am. Not sure if we had any changes since last year. Hey, cheers! I'm back to the same goofy old friend. You know, go forward with your quest to save the world. Do not forget your mission. Leave a path to help him find his way. What? What's that? You must make that reality? Okay. I am scared. Oh, look, we are ready. And there's like an skeleton down there. I think you don't see it, like a blue one. And anyways, we move with WASD. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Um. Oh, hello. Why she or he use um letters, numbers, and signs? There. I'm Lolbet. Okay. Welcome to my store. Please 83 welcome. Please 83 welcome. Oops. Oh, oh fine. Oh, so something but because where do oh bees. What? Oh crap, I have zero fasto. How I know it? Because there is the number. The most expensive one that is this plus 150. I'm not lying because the camera taps. So with your Foxy freedom. Why freedom? Okay, so we will. Oh, 10 seconds. Okay, so what is this all fight? Do you see it? That little here? What is this? Chica. Let's see. Obviously, because you have a cake and you will eat it one day. Oh my God, what is it? What is this? Bastion. Pizza World. Attack them. Cupcake. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Take it off. Uh, Fight. Pizza World. Yeah. Cupcake. Okay. I'm understanding. I'm scared. Oh, that doesn't do anything. How, how crap is this? Okay. Pizza World. Grab him. Okay. Cupcake. Yeah, we're not doing so much. Yeah, that's yeah. Oh yeah, good one. Okay, cupcake. We'll put hot cheese. Ooh, I like Victus. Okay, we'll do Victus. Okay, Bastian. Cupcake. Oh, we kill one. That's so natural. What's that thing on the soup? Mere scraps. Okay, there are mere scraps. What I understand. Yeah! Yeah! I win. Booty booty. Bear scraps. Okay. Oh, there's Fredbear. But I don't want to talk with him. I think we when I go with him, we will talk. But I don't want to talk already. So, oh, fast tokens. I have 20 fast tokens. Now, for how did you win fast tokens? I think that those. Am I gonna talk to Fredbear? He would know. What's that red? I don't care. How that's possible to catch? Okay, Fredbear send me. How's that treasure is possible to catch? Okay, wow, that tree looks pretty. I wonder what happened if I don't care. We'll try to have the cloud one. So yeah, we'll do this until it's done and we will wait. I know the ways to have. Uh, if yes, if you want to see these when I come flip side word beneath surface for the layer. Oh my god. This is the standard. You have find the clock. Find the clock? What clock? We are, I understand. We need to find a clock. Why am I so stupid? Okay, so we need to find that clock that is super important to Fredbear. And oh my god, there's Fredbear. Okay, he say me that have the clock. Like, where is the clock? I don't understand it. Oh, there's the clock. So how there's the clock. Do you see it? Yes, there is. Oh, so we need to go down here. And I understand it. And what's this? Oh my god, what do I need? Oh, I need to put Bomboy in the box. I don't need to put what Bomboy is still the favorite. Anyone likes you, Bomboy? Okay, after we go to that strange tree, we'll go outside. I think there is something outside. Okay, there's a strange rock and apples. So I can, because there is like a key to have the enter to that boss. Oh, this boss is free. So, out of ship. Cake. Oh my gosh, that doesn't do nothing. Gosh, it's well. That doesn't do nothing. Why? Why anything functions? Cupcake. Yeah. Bastion. Yeah, take it. Pizza well. Okay. Oh my gosh, Bonnie died. Okay, so what I do? I don't know. Cupcake. Yes. Okay, pizza well. We're dead. We're dead, guys. We need to run out of here. Run! Run, guys! Run from the video. Run! Oh my gosh, we can't run. Okay, prize ball. What is this? Oh my gosh, they jump scare him. Okay, Bastion, then Pizza Will. Okay, Cupcake. Okay, Mangle is like gonna die. Mangle died. Okay, we don't need to shield. We need to kill him. What very good. What's this? Oh my gosh, that doesn't do enough. Munchies, what's that? Okay, it's a whale. Yes, get it, God. One only. Okay, pretzel. Okay, chicken pie. Body, do something! Oh, what the heck? We need to have all those. I have a trick. Guys, this is not a spoiler, but we'll have the Halloween animatronics. The Halloween animatronics are the ones that are in the lowest line. So we just do that, and in some time it would. Yes, look at it. It's fake. So we go down here, and there's a support that. Da da da. We are down here. Okay, there are so much. Oh my gosh, that purple guy. Okay, I know. Hey there, and don't run away. I'm not the real purple guy. I'm just a game sprite. I'm not here to kill you. I was created for unexplained reasons. I don't know it myself either. As you non-describe descripti game sprite for killer, you can call me whatever you want. Will and Billy Bob, Bison. I love those names. Did you know there is a secret? Oh, there really? Uh, oh, it's in 3D. The actor Popper guy is in 3D. So you're not the real Popper guy because you are in 2D. Stupid. So okay, first we will go to Foxy Point X. And if you don't know what is Foxy, oh, there's Freddy, but we don't talk to him because I don't. There's Scott Cathy. But there's so much difficult game to have it. There's so much Foxy in games like here. Just Rain's Pain and that re mega difficult. Oh no, this is not the way. We are let's go more down. A copy of I don't know who is the copy. Okay, Mario, but I want to go to your mini. Yeah, look at it. It's Foxy Point X. Okay, it's like we third Foxy say you random things. So okay, that was strange. Oh my god! What I do? Oh crap, I need to launch again. Launch, stupid idiot. Seriously, where is going? Okay guys, I don't know what the time is, but thank you so much for seeing this video. I will call, oh my gosh, it's 7:39. There's so much time. So thank you for seeing this video. Final phrase word is not end because there are so much ends. And I will show you in next episodes. So bye bye, see you later.